Hello and welcome to Online Civics from Illinois Virtual School. I'm Mrs. Bilyeu. If this is your first online class, I want to let you know that online learning is different. You need to log in and work as much as you can to stay ahead. It is extremely easy to procrastinate. This is coming from a procrastinator myself. I've taken online courses and it's so easy to ignore the computer or ignore the laptop and just not log in while you should be logging in, and then you get several days behind and then you fall farther and farther behind and it snowballs. So log in and work even when there isn't work to be done that particular day. Don't wait until the absolute last point in the course. When the course ends, this is kind of like school. They shut the doors at the end of the summer or at the beginning of the summer and you're done. So this is the same thing. You can't log in after that end date, so you won't have opportunities to finish the course. Grading policy, I just want to go over real quick that how I do things, and this is to keep people on track, is everything is due on or before the due date. And I've sent out a PDF in your email and posted it in a news item in the course so that way you could see what the due dates actually are. You can work ahead, and you can use this option if you're going on vacation or if you're going to be without internet access for a while. That way you're ahead of where you need to be. Just post your first posts for the discussions and then reply when you get back. If you turn in things late, I have a 2-week sort of grace period where you can still get partial points. If it's just a day or two late, I might not deduct many points at all. But if it's like a week or two late, that's where it gets difficult to catch up. We've got lots of things that we're working on. Multiple things are due each week. So I want you to stay on track for actually completing the course on time. And I reserve the right to go down to 50% during that grace period for grading. Exams, homework, and projects are all worth 50 points. They're weighted the same, which is very nice. So if you're not the greatest test taker, you can totally make up those points elsewhere. The exams do require a good internet connection, and this has been an issue with some people. So when you're taking an exam and you notice that things are really, really slow, or you're not sure if it's submitted, or if you're in a spotty area where it kind of keeps dropping, notify me so that way I know that something is going on. Sometimes it doesn't let you submit something and then the clock just runs and runs and runs on the exam, and then it will auto grade it as 0. The exams are timed to keep you honest so that way you are not spending extra time and maybe using resources you shouldn't be using on the exam instead of just your brain. If you do want to finish early, that is fantastic. You can totally work ahead. You can make your first post in the discussion boards and then go back and reply when others have commented. And then you can just work ahead item by item so that way you are on track to finish and as soon as you would like. Once you are nearing the finish line, you can contact me and let me know that you are intending on finishing the course early, and then I will see what other things need to be remedied if we need anything there. You might be completely fine and have a great grade, and it might be time for me to post your grade. There are some state mandated exams that you need to take with civics. Now, this is where any high school in the state of Illinois that you have to take and pass 3 exams to graduate and get your diploma. This is the Illinois Constitution exam. In this course, it's Unit 7, the United States Constitution exam, which is Unit 9, and the Flag Code exam, which is Unit 8. The good thing is we don't have a final in this course. No final project, no final exam. But the United States Constitution exam acts like a final because it encompasses multiple units of study. So that's something that as you work through the course and as you do the homeworks and as you do the discussions, you will actually be preparing yourself for the United States Constitution exam. In your PDF that I sent out, plus also posted in the news item, I have some information about how many times you can retake those particular exams, the percentage you need to pass them, and the grade for the course that will get recorded. So keep in mind this doesn't happen until halfway through the course, but these are higher stakes exams, so I don't want you to be surprised when you get to this point. It's a very different feel from the rest of the course. So You will need to log in and start the course. You'll go into the website and you'll navigate to the orientation, and then also the first content item, which is the welcome from the Illinois Virtual Schools. You'll have to do a section that's called Your Turn to actually get points for the beginning of the course. Your first assignments are quicker and easier to do. We'll also schedule a time to talk. You'll schedule time to talk with me if you have any questions or issues that need to be resolved. And you'll contact me via email and the course pager, or text me. These will all get you your first points in the course. My email is cbillieu@illvirtual.org, and my phone number, which goes to my phone, this is Google Voice or my computer, so it depends on where I'm at, but I'll be able to answer your call, is 530-359-8312. You can check my availability at the website there on youcanbook.me, and this allows you to see when I'm available and when I'm not available. So if there's something that's an emergency or anything like that, let's say that you need to call me because you're really confused on a homework item, or you just need clarification, or something is going on, or God forbid that you've lost power because of a storm, or that somebody's in the hospital, or something's happening, let me know. You can always leave a voicemail, but if you would rather get in contact with me and actually talk with me, you can either try scheduling, or you can just call directly when I have an open slot. And as long as something's not going on, I should be able to answer right away. And if you have questions, comments, or concerns, you can totally email me those right now, or you can wait until our phone call and you can ask me those then. And I really look forward to working with you in the course.